Deadpool Army, mount up!
This is Steve. Steve is Tech Talk Fitness.
I'm Steve. Look. I have 975 followers.
Oh my good lord! And what group are you with? Well, you're biker. Biker 22?
No, yeah, but I'm not with nobody.
You're like me. You're a solo dude. Hi guys! Yell out your name. And if you're from with any group.
Shane. No group.
Independent, just helping.
Independent. Well, motorcycle riders. Facebook.
There we go. That's who I thought you were from. And you are?
Brendan.
And you're from a group or?
Nope.
You just, how do you find out about us?
Jolene. I work with her.
Awesome sauce. Yes. Hi, how you doing? And your name is?
Paul.
And you're with who? Me. Are you from like a Facebook group?
No, I'm with.
You're with him? And you are? Moose?
Snake River Bros.
Snake River Bros. And this is?
Doug Clark. Disciples of Christ Motorcycle Ministry.
He's always with me. Thank you guys for coming. You guys are? Your names?
Abel Flores. Abel Flores Jr.
Awesome sauce. And you guys are part of any group on YouTube or Facebook or?
Yeah, new group.
Idahosdeadpool.
Yeah.
I know, you comment all the time.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people we're gonna have to go through. Howdy. You are?
Brad.
And are you with a Facebook group or a club?
Facebook.
Which group are you with?
Boise Motorcycle.
Boise Motorcycle Riders. We have so many of you guys come. Tell you. Hi. Say hi. And you guys are?
GFD.
GLC. Any first names?
I'm Angel.
Angel and Phoenix. Thank you so much. Okay, we're just gonna line it. Gotta do your first name and the group you're with. Either writing group or Facebook. Ready? Go. And you're with? GLC. You're
Tiny. GOC.
Jules, GOC.
Coach POC.
She was like, I got it. You guys ready? I need your name and who you're with.
I'm Will. Facebook. Yeah, shooter from GOC.
Facebook, awesome. Yum. We're sneaky. We're gonna cut that out because old school just flipped me off. You are.
What?
This is old school from Idahosdeadpool. Yeah, you know. Oh God. Names and where you from?
As in the group?
Yeah, or like your channel.
Trooper Collins. I have a from Trooper Collins YouTube.
That was easy to say. And you are?
Harold. I'm from Boise.
Yes.
Don't really have a channels or anything.
Do you have you're a part of a Facebook group?
Not really. I joined yours the other day, but that's about it.
Idahosdeadpool. That's what he's part of.
Did you hear from him that we're doing this?
No, it just actually came across my Facebook on like pages you might like, and
Awesome sauce. I like it. Thank you for coming. Okay. I need your first names and who are you with? Like the group or Facebook group or just nobody? Okay. You want to say your first name?
Carlene.
Carlene. And you are?
Eric.
Eric. Are you with the group?
Nope.
Nothing? You are? I know where you're from, but I'm still going to ask.
Yeah. I'm Ian, and I'm from the Combat Veterans Motorcycle.
Ugh. They do a lot of good. You guys ready?
Ready.
I need names and who group you're with for the video. You are?
I'm Larry Stroud.
And what group are you with?
I'm not in group.
You're in a Facebook group. I know you are.
She knows what the Facebook group is. I don't know.
And you are?
I'm with Deadpool.
Exactly. And your first name is?
Jan.
Jed. And you are?
Big D with Guardians of the Children.
And you are?
I have Rip with Guardians of the Children.
Thank you guys for coming. What's your first name?
Alex.
And what group are you with? Facebook? Motorcycle group? Anything? Are you a solo rider? So you're here because you love Idahosdeadpool. Is that what you're saying? It's yes. Just say yes.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Come on, get down with the sickness. Come on, get down with the sickness. Come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your feet and then come on, get down with the sickness. You fucking up. Come on, get down with the sickness. You fucking up. Come on, get down with the sickness. And this is the game. And when I dream, and when I dream, and when I dream, and when I dream. Open up your hate and let them finally. Open up your hate. dream, and when I dream, and when I dream, and when I dream.
It's over. Go home.